Good evening, guys. Welcome back to RK's Home Cooking. This evening, I am going to cook buffalo wings. It's originally come from America, place name called Buffalo. That's why it's called buffalo wings. You can eat as a snack, side dish, or you can cook for small parties or big parties, and you can impress yourself because it's really delicious and extremely simple to make. Let's start to cook Americans' favorite buffalo wings. I have a few ingredients on my worktop. 1 kilo chicken wings, clean and prepared. 50 gram butter, garlic, black pepper, Tabasco sauce, salt, and plain flour. Salt, pepper. Freshly ground pepper is better. Mix nicely. Get to the seasoning into the chicken wings. Chicken very nicely marinated. Cling it about 30 minutes to go in the fridge. Anything over 30 minutes, much better. 30 minutes after, I show you the second step. Before I fry off the chicken wings coming out from the fridge, dusting off the chicken with a plain flour. A cup full of plain flour, half more cup. A little bit more, no problem. Put 3 bowls there, flour and 1 extra empty Pyrex bowl. Little bit at a time. Dust it nicely. Shake. Don't put all together. The reason they get lumps and you end up tasting flour fry rather than chicken fry. So better to use a little amount at a time. I managed to dust all my chicken wings. Frying chicken wings. Oil get ready to heat up. When you frying, especially deep fry, make sure the oil is on 80 degree or on 70 degree to be heated. Otherwise, all the oil attracted to the chicken. So we don't need oily food to eat. It's not very healthy. Oil is really hot now. Fry off this chicken wings. Wow, it's really hot. Very, very simple. Prepared a colander to get any excess oil I can collect and get rid of it, and then I can fry and keep it on the colander. The main reason of adding the plain flour to get the crispiness, that's all about that, and the taste is completely changed when you eat crispy and sweety, spicy taste. That is buffalo wing. You've seen earlier when I put the chicken to the oil, the bubbles heavily come up. Now the bubbles reducing, that means chicken are cooked. That's the other tip or other way to find out. Rather than looking the color of the chicken, you know the chicken is cooked. It's nearly there. Small turn. I'm now getting out the chicken straight to the colander. You can hear the noise of the chicken. That means nice and crispy, the sound, not soggy. Now the second batch to fry off. The final amount of the chicken wings is coming out from the fryer. That's it. It's all fried nicely, and the oil to get rid of it. Now the time to make buffalo wings sauce. Crushed garlic, butter, salt, ketchup, 100 ml water. Let's make the buffalo wings sauce. Fire. Hot pan, 50 gram butter in. Then we'll move the pan to spread the butter to melt. Garlic. Ketchup. Give a good amount of ketchup. It's giving the right sweety flavor. 100 ml water straight in. Allow to give the right taste and cook the garlic nicely in the heat. Bring it to boil. Some people use tomato paste instead of ketchup. Ketchup is nice if you have a couple of children in your home around, because they love the taste of the ketchup. The sauce is starting to get reduced and getting more thicker now. And the Tabasco, it depends on your taste. If you add more hot, because it's a chili pepper sauce. Little bit salt. Didn't add much salt because ketchup have salt, and also marinated chicken with salt. So in that case, not much salt. Now the sauce is ready. You can see thickness and the texture. Bring to heat again with medium temperature. Chicken wings to the sauce. All in. And you binding the sauce and chicken together. Wow, the smell. Tabasco. I can't wait. If you put too much sauce, it's a bit soggy. That's the reason I reduce the sauce amount. And the cooking is getting better. Just a shake. Look at the color. And still very crunchy, the chicken. And outside is beautifully coated, sweet, garlicky flavor and spiced up sauce, and inside is a nice and moist chicken. How wonderful and how easy. Time to plate up. Handful of salad. It's amazing. Incredible. Buffalo wings are on the plate. I have some crispy leaf salad with the tomato, cucumbers and everything. It's people's choice what you're using for dressing. I got Caesar dressing, I got Thousand Island dressing. You can use a garlic mayo, or you can use vinegar, balsamic vinegar, or extra virgin olive oil. I personally love the taste of extra virgin olive oil. The buffalo wings, I can't really wait to the taste of the buffalo wings. It's so simple. Thank you so much to watch RK's Home Cooking again. I see you next time with new videos. please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.